Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you the green IKEA CFL. Now these came in different colors actually. There was blue and red and green like we have here. I'm not sure if there were any other colors than those three. Those are the ones that I've seen online, but these are incredibly hard to find for whatever reason. I'm not sure if they made them for a limited amount of time or if they were for a specific lamp that they were making at the time. Either way, they're hard to find, but when I saw this at a local Goodwill, I had to pick it up because, well, they're hard to find. So these CFLs are made by MegaMan for IKEA, and of course these were commonly seen in the regular warm white version, not colored like this. So there is a CFL inside of this. I do have the exact same thing in the normal version, but I can't find that at the moment. So I have this one, which gives you the exact same idea what is happening in there. So inside, the tube looks identical to this one, except a little smaller to fit inside of the enclosure. But we have the typical MegaMan design here, a very high quality design. This is another IKEA CFL. It had its coating on it and it's all fallen off, and now you can see the wonderful inner workings of these bulbs. I like how they have two different styles. You have a U-bend here and a fuse together section on the other side. Makes it all the more interesting. But this is the same design of tube that is inside of this. We just can't see it because of the rubber green coating on top of that CFL. Now I'm not sure what the light output of a regular warm white one would be. I have videos of them on my channel, but again, I can't find the one that I have here. So this is what we have. But if we take a closer look at the information on the bulb, let's see where it is. What does that say? 5 lumens? Wow, that's not much of anything for 7 watts. That's not even a lumen a watt. That's incredibly inefficient. So let's go ahead and put it into our socket here. Turn off all of our lights around us. And let's turn it on. There we go. You can see the exact same startup that this bulb would have. And you can tell one side of the CFL is illuminated a bit more than the others because it has to warm up. More of the edges here, that is a realistic color. Oh, there we go. That's a realistic color. So you can kind of see the shape. You can see the 3 U-bends there. If we get it to focus nicely on it, you can see that design, this design inside of the bulb. So it's still warming up. Very cool. Too bad they didn't make more of them, probably because they were so inefficient. Oh, so much light is lost with this design. Of course, LED would be the solution nowadays. LED is a solution for everything, as everyone would like to think. Again, you can see the design of the tube inside. I believe we're at full brightness now, because it looks like all 3 tubes, 1, 2, 3, are illuminated. So what I'm going to do, let's refocus that here. So we're going to bring in our lumen, or rather lux. This is a lux meter. And I'm going to move this out of the frame, cover it up behind my back, and see what we have for lux at the moment. It is 4.8 in this room. So we're going to add our light about 1 foot away from the sensor. And now we have a lux of 19. So again, this is lux, this is not lumens. You have to convert it to get lumens. So we got our 1 foot away. If we point it directly on, we still have 18. Oh, now we got 15, 14. You get it real close, and of course it's going to be, you're going to make the meter go crazy. So yeah, about 18 lux, 1 foot away from the sensor, is what this is putting out. Now, I'm not good with math in my head to convert that to lumens at the moment, but this definitely isn't that bright. It's about the brightness, if not a little dimmer, than a 4-watt incandescent nightlight bulb. But it's a really cool idea. I'm sure MegaMan had their own line of these bulbs rather than a special creation for IKEA. But it's very interesting either way. The exposure's way up on this thing. See if we can change it a bit. Whatever. I'll go ahead and turn our lights back on. Take one last look at the CFL here. So there's the insides, and there it is, all lit up for you to enjoy. I really do hope you did enjoy this video of this unique CFL, and also please comment, rate, share, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.